Okay. So today we're in a nice spot here, and we've got ourselves 3 different drones. We've got the Easy Pilot here from Emax, which is struggling with the remote. So whenever I turn on the goggles and the remote at the same time, some kind of weird interference happens. And so the second I give it throttle, I lose vision. So Captain Drone gave me some good advice on how to fix that. I'm going to try to change the channel in there. I think there's a little button underneath this battery that does that, but we're not going to do this in this video, which is why today I'm going to try to do the thing, which is going to be try to fly through that balloon hole over there, that 0, with these 3 drones, but we're going to do it line of sight. Of course, if I was going to use the goggles, that would be way easier. But again, that option is not possible, at least for that drone. So in order to be fair to the other 2 drones, I'm going to do it line of sight. So let's see how this works out. Let's start by aiming over there. That great O. And let's see if we can get this to work or not. It'll be interesting to see. It'll be really interesting to see if this is even going to work. We're going to start with the Emax Easy Pilot, because why not? Why not? Turning on the remote and turning on the quad. I'll put it up there and see how it does. It is armed, and it is now in advanced mode. And then I might try it in different other modes, but for now, we'll just try it like this and see if I can even do it. This is what I'm used to flying. So let's see how easy or difficult it is to get through there. Oh, that was really hard. And the reason was there's another balloon behind it, so that's not going to work. So I'm going to put the drone down for a second. We need to find a way to stop that balloon behind it from getting in the way and running interference. So we will just lower it down or put it away. We're going to use another drone to stop that from happening. And maybe it'll work this time. We'll see. I thought it was going to be easier than what it is, but it turns out to be pretty hard. So let's try this again. Go up. Bring it in there. Oh, it's not perfectly aligned. Wow, it's just going through that last bit that makes it a little bit hard, I guess. Try it one more time. And if it's hard with this one, I can't even imagine how much harder it might be with the other one, because this is so stable. Let's see. It turned. It turned. You gotta turn it back. Let's try it in a different mode. Let's try it in easy mode. I'm going to switch it to easy mode, and then we'll lift off. Wait, this arm. Whoa. What the heck? Easy mode does not realize that there's a ceiling up there, so that was what happened right there. It just climbed. Let's try that one more time. Okay. Now we have it, so all we need to do is, this is really annoying. I do not like it in this mode, but you kind of do everything with one, and I can't really control the height very well. Okay. It's kind of interesting how this works. It is a bit of a brain tease. And the balloon has changed its direction.